Japan is renowned for its cleanliness, a value deeply rooted in the cultural belief that purifying one's surroundings also purifies the mind. The air we breathe, the space we live in. Growing up in the countryside, fresh air and a nature-rich environment shaped my life. I am a communication specialist in charge of aircon at Panasonic. Air conditioners, which supply air, has direct impact and connection to cleanliness. Living with my children, it is very important for me to keep our living environment clean at all times. NanoX, which is installed in air conditioners, is a technology that naturally purifies the air using the moisture in the air. I've experienced how NanoX improves air quality at home, but NanoX is invisible. At work, I make this technology visible by conveying contents that are easy to understand for customers. I led the development of NanoX simulation through VR and AR. We help customers visualize how NanoX works. We test it in real living spaces, backed by data and certified not only by our internal laboratory, but also by credible external organizations. Through repeated research and more than 400 other types of studies, NanoX has proven to be effective against bacteria, viruses, allergens, pollen, and odors. I want more people to understand and benefit from this groundbreaking nature-derived technology to enable many people to live healthy and secure lives.